not the evidence that we have. The evidence that we have is that you knew of it before then because you called to make payment arrangements, and you admitted to that on the record. 2018?
I believe it was from 2006, Your Honor.
No, even worse.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I guess, what do you want, proceed from scratch? What are you looking for?
Well, I don't know how it all works, Your Honor. If I could do that, I suppose. Originally, and I believe it was 2006, I was never properly served. Recently, well, my mom just passed away, and she had opened a lot of things in my name. I was aware of the vehicle. I was aware of it, but I wasn't aware of the debt, which I think originally there was gap insurance on it. It was in, I don't even know which year, 2006, I guess. Taken care of, although it's not my debt. And I'm sorry, but I'm pretty sure that I'm not sure that I'm allowed to even tell. I don't know. I'm not a lawyer. I'm not sure I was even allowed to tell Mr. Smith. And also just found out about a lot of the things that my mom had done.
No, you didn't just find out about this because you told me that you were aware that she had a car.
I was aware about the car, but I did.
You gave her permission to use your credit.
Well, I didn't give her permission to use my credit.
You were aware you didn't report it reported as theft or fraud.
No.
Not only were you aware you didn't report it as fraud, then I'm assuming you all must have lived together at the time. Is that what was going on?
No, I was in the Army at the time.
Oh, okay. Well, you must have your permanent address must have been the address that you used to get the vehicle.
Didn't take care of the debt.
Doesn't matter. You allowed her to take out a debt in your name. You didn't report it as fraud.
I didn't allow her. She had a power of attorney when I went to the Army.
Power of attorney doesn't mean I can go get a car in your name while you're serving the country.
That's not true. That's very true.
Yeah, and that no, it doesn't mean that you can go and get a car in someone's name and because they're off serving the country.
She had a power of attorney. It was a financial power of attorney. She could do whatever she wanted with my bank accounts, all my things.
20 years. You had no clue that this was on your credit.
Well, Your Honor, it wasn't on my credit, Your Honor. That's the thing. I didn't have any idea. I bought a brand new house, a new car.
You knew about the debt from the beginning. You never reported it as fraud. And so to now come to the court to ask to have the debt removed from your responsibility, I think is inappropriate. So you can meet with Mr. Smith if you all want to further discuss.